Thank you very much, Mr. President. This concerns Senate resolution about sickle cell. I'd like to ask Vice Chair of the Black Caucus, Legislative Black Caucus, Senator Powell, and the leader of the Democratic Caucus, Audrey Gibson, to join me. Sickle cell disease is one of the most inherited blood disorders affecting 100,000 children and adults in the United States, with 1 in 365 African Americans and 1 in 16,300 Hispanics living with this disease. A person with sickle cell disease does not have a normal round red blood cell like you and I. Their red blood cells are shaped like sickles or crescent moons, making it extremely difficult and painful for blood and oxygen to travel through their body and properly do its job. The effects of this non-curable disease is what is known as having a crisis. A crisis is a recurring episode that includes severe pain and life-threatening complications. In Florida, there are more than 8,800 living with this disease. That is the highest number of individuals in any state in the nation. In Florida, we are making strides to increase the care for those who suffer with this disease by providing them with support and the help they need when they're having a crisis. The Foundation for Sickle Cell Disease Research in Hollywood, Florida, is the first and only standalone sickle cell disease focused center in the United States. And there are plans to build the world's first sickle cell research hospital in Liberty City, which I think is represented by Senator Pizzo. Because of the work of that Foundation for Sickle Cell Research is being done, the rate of emergency room visits have been reduced by 90%. There has been a 40% reduction in hospitalizations and a 40% reduction in hospital readmission rates for patients who utilize the center. And I know that Dr. Bronte is doing such good work. She's met with Secretary Mayhew to discover how they can partner with ACA to bring more relief and to bring this statewide. Senators, increasing awareness and education of sickle cell disease may lead to significant progress in finding a cure and in improving access to treatment. I ask that you support this resolution and recognize the month of September 2020 as Sickle Cell Disease Awareness Month. That is the description of the resolution, Mr. President. Thank you for this opportunity.
Thank you, Senator Roussan. Thank you for your remarks about this very serious disease. The resolution was adopted by publication, and so it has, by its publication, been adopted. So thank you.
Thank you very much, Mr. President. Thank you, Senators.
Senator from the 26th, Senator Albritton, you're recognized.